morning, Sir Frankie. Today I make video about New York City. New York City is a large city in the United States. New York City is also a city with largest population in the United States. In addition, New York City is one 25 biggest city in the world. New York City is also referred to as Big Apple. New York City has a long history in the United States. New York City was also capital of the United States for 5 years from 1785 until 1790 before moved to Washington DC in 1800. New York City was also the site of the inauguration of first president of the United States, George Washington, in 1789 for the first time. New York City is also home to the headquarters of the United Nations. New York City has interesting things such as skyscrapers. The most famous skyscraper in the New York City such as the World Trade Center, but it was destroyed by September 11 attack by the Al-Qaeda group in 2001 and has to be demolished, then had to be rebuilt. It was the destruction of the World Trade Center here that made the United States government look for the mastermind of this attack, namely Osama bin Laden, who has just been confirmed by the army on the direct order of the then President of the United States, Barack Obama, in 2011, as well as declaring war on terror. From that year until by then President of the United States, George W. Walker Bush, in 2001. In addition to skyscraper, New York City also has a pretty beautiful recreation area, namely Central Park. Central Park is Pauling Park located in Manhattan, New York City. Annually, this park visited about 25 million people, and at the same, this park is the most visited by people in the United States. Central Park is one of the most famous parks in the world because this park is often used as location for film and concerts of television. After the World Trade Center and Central Park, there is another place that is quite interesting to discuss, namely Times Square. Times Square is one of those places located in Manhattan. This area is the western part of the business and trade district called Midtown Manhattan. The Times Square intersection was formerly known along Cal Square. The name was changed to Times Square in April 1904 after the New York Times moved the newly complete Times building. But there is something interesting about Times Square, which the New York celebrates once a year because every year there is always a door to start the new year. Thank you, Sir Frankie.